Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start another compound of the sulfur, and the name of the compound is sulfur dioxide. So, our today's topic is sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide formula SO2. What we have to discuss in this preparation, first preparation, and in the preparation of the SO2 we have some equations there. When you have the sulfur there, and when we react the sulfur with oxygen, then we get the sulfur dioxide there. That is sulfur dioxide preparation method. Another methods which we have, which are generally used in the lab. So we get the SO2 by the different reactions, like sodium sulfite reacts with H2SO4, then preparation of sulfur will there, SO2 and sodium sulfate H2O. SO2, sodium sulfate and H2O will form. Another equation, what we are getting in this equation, this sulfite ion SO3 2 minus get reacted with the H plus ions given by the acid, and the formation of SO2 and H2O will takes place in that particular reaction. Another method, when you react the copper solid with H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. In this copper sulfate, SO2 and H2O will form. Copper sulfate, SO2 and H2O will form in that particular reaction. Another reaction, when we react this with FeS2, that is iron sulfide. When this iron sulfide get reacted with oxygen, then we get Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide. So these are the different methods through which we get the sulfur dioxide there. Now another point which is related to this, that is about the properties of the sulfur dioxide. So we have another point in this, that is properties of sulfur dioxide. What kind of properties are present in this? Properties of sulfur dioxide we are going to discuss. Properties of sulfur dioxide. Properties of sulfur dioxide. In this colorless gas, pungent smell, colorless gas, pungent smell, highly soluble in water, highly soluble in water. It is highly soluble in water. Now first character, that is acidic nature. First property, acidic nature of sulfur dioxide. How we can say that sulfur dioxide having the acidic character? When the sulfur dioxide get reacted with H2O formation of H2SO3 will take place, and this is a sulfurous acid. In another method, when we react this sulfur dioxide with the molecule of the NaOH, then we get Na2SO3 plus 2H2O there. So sodium sulfide will form. When we have the another reaction, it also form the sodium bisulfide. When sodium sulfide again react with the SO2 in the presence of water molecule, this reaction further moves and we get the another product, that is sodium hydrogen sulfide. So these are the reactions which are showing the acidic behavior of this particular sulfur dioxide. Another reactions non-supporter to combustion. Another property of this gas is non-supporter for the combustion. Non-supporter for the combustion reaction. Non-supporter for combustion. Second property in this, non-supporter to combustion, non-supporter to combustion. Carbon plus sulfur dioxide, then we get the reaction CO2 plus S. So that is sulfur. Another, when we react this with the metals Mg plus SO2, then we get magnesium oxide and sulfur. Sulfur is not participating in the combustion reaction, so that's why we are saying that it is a non-supporter of the combustion reaction there. It is a non-supporter of the combustion reaction in this condition. Another property is we have reducing property. In this reducing property, what reaction we have? SO2 react with the water molecules. SO2 reacts with the water molecules, and formation of the sulfuric acid and active oxygen will take place. So it has the reducing property. It has its bleaching action. It has its bleaching action. SO2 reacts with this is the bleaching property, and in the reducing property which we have, it produces this reaction SO2 plus 2H2O and H2SO4 plus hydrogen atom we get in this. Where the hydrogen atom will produce, they shows the reducing property, and in this where the oxygen is producing, that it shows the bleaching property. Reducing property is due to the hydrogen, and bleaching property is due to the oxygen, presence of oxygen there. Another oxidizing property, how it has the oxidizing property in this, just see oxidizing property. Some properties are also remaining in this. So we have oxidizing property. In this oxidizing property, we have the reaction when H2